So it's our first day, our first full-scale event since 2019. So we've got elementary students from grades 2, 3, 4, and 5 here today, just over 1,000 students each day. And then we also have our high school students who actually run the majority of our activity stations. So it's a real combined effort, the high school students mentoring the elementary students, and they're leading interactive activity stations that are all centered on water in some way. So we really are trying to touch on key curriculum points that they're already learning in the classroom and just presenting that material in a really fun, hands-on, interactive way. So hopefully they're taking back what they learn at the festival and applying it to their studies in school. And if we're getting any future water stewards or conservationists out of the mix, that's a definite goal of ours as well, is just focusing the next generation on how we can better conserve our natural resources.
So my grade 12 leadership class is currently involved here at the Halton Water Festival. This is a precursor to the project that they'll have to do, which is the Halton Forest Festival. It'll be taking place in October, and they are doing pretty much the exact same thing that the great volunteers here at Water Festival are doing, except they will be delivering different content to elementary school kids, and this is a great way for them to start to practice those skills. One of the key components of the multi-year plan is environmental leadership, and my grade 12 leadership class is a key component of it. They not only will be learning about it within the class, my class, but they're also going to be expected to deliver those key concepts to elementary students.
I've enjoyed asking questions and teaching them about, for hours it was watershed, so teaching them about the watershed and different pollutants.